This is ElarScan A2-600RA ReproAutomat. We have a flexible motorized cradle, and we can control the cradle from the cockpit, and we can control the glass up and down from the cockpit, and we are controlling the lights. And if we need to change to flat scanning, we just turning interchangeable glass to flat. This is just to unscrew 2 screws. Alright, so first we are just placing the book in the cradle without any pre-adjustments. Alright, push the button and scanner automatically adjusts left, right and pressure for height of the wings of the book. And now, after the adjustments, we are ready to scan. So everything goes automatically, we just need to turn the page. Alright. Okay, this is the operation of RA. Sometimes we have very delicate originals where we need to control the pressure manually. In this case, we can use the manual adjustment. We just put glass to the 0 position and use buttons for precise touching of the glass for that. It's very sensitive and we can work by millimeters. So in this case, every delicate original will be safe. Alright, this is for very special things. Okay, this is operation of ElarScan A2-600RA ReproAutomat.